Yeah, hello. Is this Mega Mall? Sorry, Vega Mall? Yeah, yeah, and your Adidas ko showroom mall, eh? Okay, so do you remember yesterday? By the time कति 5:30 evening मा म आएको थियो मेरो जम्पर पनि हेरेँ हैन आई Tryon पनि गरेँ हैन अन्त या मलाई त्यो ज्याकेट जम्पर राम्रो लागिरहेको थियो सो आई सेट म अलिकति एडभान्स छोडिदिन्छु एन्ड या भोलिको दिनमा चाहिँ लिनु आउँछु भनेको थिएँ नि त है अब you guys said that this is against the policy of your shop, right? So we cannot accept any advance on you. Yeah. Yeah, black and white hoodie. So what is the situation? The talk bikyo. Toy. Okay, छ भने चाहिँ भाइ डु मी अ फेभर कि या तपाईँ त्यो के भन्छ त्यो प्याक गरेर राखिदिनुहोस् कि एन्ड अब म हिँडेको यहाँबाट होइन अब मिन्स ढिलो उठ्छु कि त म सो द्याट इज वाइ अब हिँडेको म यहाँबाट म्याक्सिमम विल टेक कति 15 मिनट 15 मिनट्स त्यति हो या ओके गाइज सो या आई निड टु गो आउटसाइड फर वाइट basically I think it'll take only not more than 1 hour and after doing that work then I will come back home right? And then I will be completely free so we can talk about anything that we want to there won't be any restrictions right yeah, there will be complete freedom to say or do whatever we want to but I live a luggage if he excuse me for a while because just you gaya or you I what's it okay so guys yeah see you after some time
झर्दैन भनेको झर्दैन
यो साइज स्मल है
अब यो फ्रेस पिस नै हुन्छ कि दुईटै
yeah. My name is Tenzing, T-E-N-Z-I-N-G. And I'll give by cash. किनभने मेरो वालेट हरायो कि त है पेट भएन कलेक्सन राम्रो रहेछ Okay, so guys, that is it, right? Vegas like whatever for the purpose that I've come over here to, the job is already done, and yeah, now I think I don't need to stay over here. Right? It's better go back to home. Yeah, because like it's cold also, right? And on top of that, like I don't have any plans also. Yeah, so yeah. अब फेरि एक्लै पनि कहाँ घुमिबस्नु हैन सो लाइक अहिले भर्खर म घरबाट निस्केको तर अब इट्स ओके घरमै फर्किन्छु हैन आई थिंक that would be the best decision. What do you say, guys? Okay, but anyways, like night में घूमने का like मजा ही कुछ और है. Don't you agree with me, guys? Like see, at the daytime when you come to this place, yeah, this place looks so dull. Okay, it won't look as attractive as it is looking right now.
So guys, I'm back. Easy way out, but all the time like I personally boring the, and no shopping. अलिक बेसी नै गरी पठाउँछु हो के गर्नु अब लागेको बानी सबको आता नै भन्छ नि सबको आती नै मेरी जाति नै भनेको छ अन्त कन्ट्रोल गर्छु म मलाई कन्ट्रोल गर्छु जति सक्दो म आजकल हैन अब त्यो धेरै अब किनेर पनि अब के चाहिँ गर्नु सक्नुहुन्छ यत्रो धेरै हैन आइरन सबैले त्यस्तै भन्छ एभ्री टाइम मलाई र अब चाहिँ आफूलाई पनि त लाग्नु थालेको छ त्यस्तो होला सायद भन्छ नि के गर्नु यति बेसी किनेर चाहिँ देन लाइक नाउ विदाउट टकिङ टु मच you know what it that bought right from ADIDAS and the time now is to just like do the unboxing and then like my favorite part like Tryon review and then like favorite part Tryon. Okay, so we're going to do that 3 at the same time. Like just sort of thought back of your dimagma like right at the beginning of the video like how does this disclaimer like this video is meant only for like 3 reasons and that is like entertainment and only entertainment. Okay, and we don't intend to like spoil anyone's kid, anyone's boy, anyone's nobody. I know. So in that way, people will have nothing to talk about. I'm all mentioning what is insult. But I don't know. Possibly more than it's in disclaimer. Disclaimer. They disappear by us. We cannot keep it for like 5-10 minutes. So that is it like the idea मात्रै आको हैन त्यति मात्रै हो तर अब मन पराउनेले त लाइक जसरी गरे पनि नेभर बेस लाइक दे विल लाइक इट र नमन पराउनेले त लाइक whatever I do even if I like walk upside down तर पनि तिनीहरुले मन नपराउनेलाई they won't like me हैन so I'm not doing this for them who doesn't like me. I'm doing it for those who like me, and for my people, my family. So yeah. Okay, so that's it, and yeah. Hopefully next time, like we'll get a good content or like Azugusto, like Azugusto content and all that, you know. So let's hope for the best, and yeah, that's it. See you guys. Peace out.